Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to put a code in Temu account, and now let's dive right in. Now to put a code on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone, and after opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see the U button available for us at the bottom of the screen, just beside the categories. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and you land over here where you can see the coupons and offers option available for us. Tap on coupons and offers, and when this box appears, or when this interface appears, guys, at the top of the screen, you can see where it says the enter coupon code. You'll be required to put your code in that box on the Temu app. So let's enter the code over here, and after entering your code, whichever may it be, guys, tap on the apply button at the right side of this box after you have put your code over here, and then that net value of the code will be redeemed to your Temu account. And with that being said, guys, this is the place you will be able to put the code on Temu and redeem it. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.